Due to the length and height of the vehicle transporting your building components, access to the building site from the adjacent highway, road, or street must be considered. Such access should be studied and prepared in advance of arrival. All obstructions, overhead and otherwise, must be removed, and the access route prepared if the soil will not sustain heavy wheel loads. Extra care should always be exercised in the unloading operation to prevent injuries from handling the steel, as well as to prevent damage to materials and the foundation. Before the truck leaves, check to make sure all the parts have been delivered. Check each bundle tag against the delivery receipt. Each bundle tag is marked for identification. Sign the delivery receipt if all parts have been delivered. If any parts are missing or damaged, notify the driver and note the missing items on the delivery receipt before signing. Check with your sales representative regarding any missing or damaged parts. These procedures are for your protection. A shortage discovered later can be caused by theft, misplacement, or other causes, of which Mueller cannot accept responsibility.